Yeah, good morning, guys. What's going on? Sorry, now we want to look at this simple analysis where we analyze what's going to happen in the market. Remember, guys, this is just a trade of what will happen within one day. Okay, we are not looking at what's going to happen within a week, but we're looking at how we can make profit within just one day. You understand? So I don't need to go by thinking about a week move, because the pullback is going to be so much, and some of us, maybe the capital is very low and the account balance cannot condone the pullbacks that we have in the market. Okay, so now we're looking at the Gbpusd. All right, so let's see what has happened so far and what's going to happen today. I think we broke this level so far. Okay, we broke this level so far. All right, and then this zone I'm touching right here became a rejection. Look at. Okay, something important happened right inside this zone. So let's go to. We have the recent rejection right here, right now. We don't know if we're gonna break it or not, but as it is right now, it's a rejection. Now, let's say, for example, we want to break out of this zone in here. There's a zone here, or let's say it's this one. Okay, to make it big, it's this one, but I prefer this one. We want to break out of this zone, this red box. We want to break out of this red box. Right now, my entry is gonna be like, this one above that red box. Now, to calculate my exit, okay, you understand? My exit will definitely be, you see, before we break this red zone, okay, and before this rejection. So my exit should be somewhere around here, this green. The reason is, if we're gonna break this red box, we don't know, but before it's broken, we have to exit. So definitely we have a trading zone. If you take a look at it, like we're trading between this red zone and this red zone. So thank you very much, everyone. Take care. Bye.